Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So obviously, to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, I'm gonna scroll down to Advanced Settings, Reset Options, and then I'm gonna select Reset Phone. Now before you do so, you might wanna get acquainted with this information right here. As you can see, it does let us know that performing a reset over phone will remove things like our music, photos, user data, downloaded apps, and so on. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep of this sort, do make a backup copy of it before you begin, otherwise you'll lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to back it up, select Reset Phone. OK. And this will now begin the process. Now this will take about a minute or so to finish up, and once it has, we should be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.